Yo, what's up? Good evening, everyone. We are live right now, and you guys can hear me. Let me know in the chat section. I'm just waiting for your confirmation. Then we'll start the stream. Let me know check on my device if audio is audible. I'm not sure right now. Mm, So my voice is okay. Okay, perfect. I'll start in like a few minutes. Let people join. They are getting some notifications. I'll start like in 2 minutes. Okay, so let me just check it. So my voice is okay? Okay, perfect. Good evening, brother from Indore, India. Good evening, bro. How are you? I'm fine, bro. I'm fine. Audio video okay, perfect. What's up, Cryptex? I'm fine, bro. I'm fine. Cryptex, my club. My club, Civic. I am starting to like remember your names, like the Saf, Civic. You guys are like daily viewers. Love it. So we are in few trades. Firstly, we are in Ethereum. We longed at around 2075 and $2085. These are the limits like we placed around 2 to 3 days before 2085 to 2075. This red box, this one. So this red box, we are still sitting there. This red box, not no big movement. We got big spike here. Let me just check if we got some sort of news here. Just a minute. Let me check it. Yep, we got some news here. And how do I show it? This one. Oops, this is a big one. Let me copy it. Yep, so this is the news. You can see senior Iranian official to Reuters, there is still no arrangement for negotiation, no plan for talk after realistic at this stage. So still we got some news from Iranian side that there no like negotiations and there's nothing happening in the real time. So that's why we are like we gave a week. Any live trade? Yep, we will live trade. Firstly, we will just have a look at the current trades. After that, we will have a look at like Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? This one is Bitcoin. We will look at Bitcoin. Then we have gold. Then we have Ethereum. This one we are long Ethereum. Then we have like USDT dominance. This is USDT dominance. Then after that, we have like the live trade session at the end. 2080 average entry. Yep, we are at 2080 average entry and current price is 2080. So it's okay. And even if you get a like let's say if you get loss, that's still 2.92%. And if you check like the tier one, it's 4.6% profit, so it's okay even if you get the loss based on those news we are getting from. No, I'm not from India, I'm from the neighboring country. Trump will pump the market for sure. Yep, Trump will pump the market, but still we have to wait for it. The end will be pumped like end of the war. So let's start with BTC first. Yesterday I shared an image. Let me just copy that image from the group. This one. So this one was the image from dashboard. I shared this one that like the price is like pumping like and pubs are also pumping. The spot is also pumping. But at one stage we got are like selling in the spots. You can see some drop off in the spot, and at the same time Coinbase is selling. Binance Spot is selling and Bybit is long in. So this is how retail get traps. And after that we got a quick dump, and that was this zone. And after that we got a dump. And if you just this is not a trade, this is just a visual representation of like what I said in the group. And I shared like for the whole day spot and pubs led price equally. But now after Iran said, I also like look at the news. Whenever Iran or the US or the Israel news came, the market gets like this was the news. Iran official said we need a full scale end of war, like this is something bullish. And once this happened, the people got trapped into long, and we got like a big opposite move. So that's how it works. And after that, the spot started selling. So this is how we did it. And after that, we scaled into S&P short in S&P 500 index short, and we have booked like TP1, which is around 1.21%, and that's a good one. And after that, we shorted TIA. Where's TIA? This one TIA. We got like 4.7% profits on this one, and last TP left, so it's okay. We have booked majority. Our SL is, where is our SL? Let me just check it. I'm sorry. Our SL is at 0.2328. So this is our SL. New SL is 0.328. Let me just mark it for me from my let me just mark it. New SL. So yeah, this is new SL for me. And yep, okay. And after that we launched BTC. This one we got stopped out just because of the news. I don't remember the exactly the news, but still we got the news. This was related to Iran and US. And after that, we are in Ethereum long. That's our trading summary for like previous 2 days. That's it. So now let's move to Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin, we are forming the M pattern, which is known as double top pattern. Someone taught in the group, we are forming the M pattern, which is also known as double top pattern. How this pattern works is like we form a top, and after that we form another top, like something like this. So this is the M, and this is the neckline. Once we break the neckline, like at this zone, we break the neckline, so we start dumping toward the lower side, and the target is like it is same, like from the neckline to a top is target, like it's 2.15%. So we will count from here. 2.15% is somewhere around here. So this is how you trade the amp pattern. But it's most of the time it gets played out fully, like how I mentioned it, how I stated it. But sometimes we give a fake out, like something with the breakout at the time of retest, we claim it and we start moving to the upper side. So you have to wait for it, how it moves, how it plays out. So at the current price, if you have a look at this, we are forming the M pattern, but still we haven't break out the neckline, and we are sitting at a neckline. So if you take this Ethereum trading into knowledge, and let's say Ethereum SL is here. So once we do break this like the neckline, this means our Ethereum SL has been touched or like tapped, and BTC will go like more down. So this is how it plays out. You don't just blindly trade it. And also we have TPO here. TPO is for like the day. TPO is daily daily time price opportunity. So I have set it daily. You can see I have set it to 1 day, so it is daily. It shows like from UTC 5, like the UTC 5 time frame, 00, and it's showing to like the current time frame, the current day. And this is the POC. We will check reaction as POC. If it gets rejected, then we short BTC, something like this. But let's say if it claims, then it will go toward the upper side. Let me show you the previous example. That's the previous example of currently how the market is sitting right now. You can see, we let's say we are sitting at this point. We claim it, we go toward the upper side of the upper resistance. Once we break it, we just dump toward the lower side. That's how it works. And right now we are sitting below. We have holding the VAL, the value area low, and once we test it, after that we decide where we are moving on BTC. But in my opinion, we will go to a like VH once we claim it. Depends on like how the reaction, how the market moves. Also, let me just add one thing, that is single print, and we have two single prints. So in my opinion, we claim this one and we test any of these single print. So yep, in my opinion, we deviated from here. Cryptos, what do you think about Solana? I'll look like Solana wants to pump. We'll look at it after Ethereum. We'll look at it. And after that, let's move towards Ethereum. It's ISRD Ethereum, everything. But on Ethereum, we are a little bit different. You can see we have M pattern, We have broken the neckline. Now we have like dropped majority, like we have achieved majority of the target. Where is the like price line? You can see the target is like 4%, and if you have a look at this, the our 4% from the neckline comes around this week. Around this week, I will round this week. So that's the target. And even if it goes to the lows, we can form equal lows around this. We can tap SL or something like that, but still we'll wait for it. Also, these limits were like placed around somewhere around here before the pattern formed and everything. Also, these limits are from this the big candle tap or like the Jordan pocket. And if you remember previous stream, like on 24th, I said we will fill this week. Like this week was filled, this one was filled at this point, and then we dumped. So if you like follow these like small notes, you can actually take your own trades based on how what I say and or what like you get on the stream. Yep, or Ethereum trade is kind of safe. I expect we must go toward TP1 at least. Maybe East wants to go down at 2033. Where is 2033? Yeah, 2033 same level as I said. So depends. Also, let me look at Solana right now. So we have explained Ethereum, we have explained BTC. Let me open Solana somewhere around here. So this is BTC. I will open Solana here. Okay, so we got some levels on Solana here. This is a major level, and Solana is almost at like the trend line. So if you remember the pattern I shared with you guys, let me just delete the chart. I will like create again. This is a rising wedge plus a bear flag. So right now we just wait for it. Either it holds or either it goes down. Depends. You have to wait for it. And if you'll go for like 15 minutes time frame, look for RSI divergence. We have small RSI divergence around here. Yep, we have RSI divergence here. And let me just copy TPO here. The TPO stuff. Yep. So you can see we are holding the POC, the point of control. If we keep holding, then we should go toward the upper side. Do we have single prints here? Yep. So yep. If you are long Solana, then GG's to you. You can place TPs at these points. TP1, some TP2, and TP3 somewhere around here. Just because we have no gap here. And in my opinion, they should go up. If you are in, if you are not in, just don't enter here. Just because it's a risky one. This one. So it will be a 4 hour trade based on our side divergence if you thought some low values. We'll look at it afterwards. And we have Ethereum, APT, Euro, okay, US oil, okay. This trade was like stopped out. Yep, we closed it after profits. We closed it. Okay, so I'll do it here. We have silver and yep, Mike left from Cameroon, Africa. Oh my club. So we have like people from all over the world. Nice. Today we don't have any coins. So if you wanna give me coin, any coin, you can share like whatever coin, XRP, Atom, BNB, whatever coin you have. My SL is tight, $87.1. $87.1 is around somewhere around okay. Like you are doing for almost $3. Okay, fine. Or one. Let me add countdown. Yeah. So we have 3 minutes. In my opinion, we will fill the wick first. Without a wick. XRP please. Okay. I'll come to metals afterwards. Like around New York open time. Let me check how much time is left in New York open. Volume low on XRP. Let me see. Okay. What's the MA? Yep. Around low on Bybit. I'm looking on Bybit. And let me look at like the low time frame. It wants to go down. Like we have filled the gap. It want to go down on the low time frame. No RC divergence here. Yep. Same pattern on like the 4 hour time frame as it's as Solana. Like this one, the BF lab one. But still, altcoins are right now at do or die situation. You can see we are sitting at like do or die situation. Just because we have USDT pattern, let me open USDT here. If you know some chart patterns, we have USDT dominance forming the head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder. Like take this as first shoulder, then head, then another shoulder. So we are forming another inverse head and shoulder. And how inverse head and shoulder works is, let me open it. Inverse head and shoulder pattern. That's how it works. Like we form a shoulder, then we have a head, then we have another shoulder, and then we just break out, and then we just start pumping toward the upper side. And same on inverse one. Like if we data inverse, then we start dumping. So that's how we are forming it. And if I move to like 4 hour time frame, and let me just add this one, like the left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder. It will take time, but still it will go toward the. My volume is low. Let me check. File setting. Let me just check it. My volume on my side it's okay. Let me check on my mobile if it's like really bad. Just a minute. It's like really bad. On my side it's okay. Let me run a poll on like YouTube. volume on my side, it's okay. Bad, bad, bad. Okay. Okay, so we got some votes and it's bad. Majority bad. I'm not sure what's the bad problem here. Sound is low. Okay, so we got. I'm not sure. Let me just check it out. My is like second screen sound. Now it's okay. I have done like boosted my mic. I'm not sure what's the problem. Bro, can we talk BTC low time frame? Yep, I will talk about low time frame. I'm just checking the volume if it's okay or not. Now it's good, bro. Now it's good. Okay, 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 perfect, perfect. So I boosted my mic, and yep, okay. From tomorrow I will check my mic, but right now I can't do anything except mic boost. So yep, that is much better, bro. Perfect. So I boosted my mic, nothing else. Okay. So if you look at Solana, we are just like claiming the POC and XRP. As I said, the SRP and like the rest of the altcoins are sitting at the do or die zone just because of this USD dominance, and USD dominance is like the inverse of the whole crypto market. That's my view on like the altcoins for the longer time frame. But on short time frame, you can take like longs, you can take shorts, depends on like where we are sitting. I will take some scalp also like on live stream. Let me check like the BNB coin. I'm choosing coin from like the Binance exchange volume session. Like if you go to Binance, let me just show you how to open it. Binance.com. Let me just log out my Binance account and show it to you guys. Binance. So you go to Binance, you have like the hot section, and in the hot section you see the like coins. So I'm selecting from the hot section. That's how I sometimes select the coins for like the scalp. So if you like take Binance coin BNB on a 15-minute time frame, we are forming something on the R side divergence. No, we don't have any R side divergence here. And where we are sitting, let me add the values. Okay, it's $29, and I will just add TPO here. Where's the TPO? This is looking some solid to me, like dollar chart. I didn't tap PP1 on S&P. Should I take some here? Ooh. So S&P we pumped a bit, but still you can take some like book 25% or like 30%, whatever your TP is, and move SR to be like the entry. Just because we have trimmed, and if you round trip the profit and it goes to our your entry, then you can like just you will lose it. You will lose the money. We were looking at BNB. So yep, I will long BNB here, just because it is claiming like the POC. The stop loss would be like, let me just find out the target first. So target would be somewhere around, if we take like the previous day, VAH is around like $650, and that the lower would be like around somewhere around this fix. Yep. So I will go for around here. So this will be my setup. I'll wait for like $629, and yep, that's my setup. That's my setup for like live stream BNB trade. I will be trading on Weeks exchange. If you haven't signed up, I will not share the link. Just kidding. I'm not giving the affiliate link. You should sign up with like, you should go to like google.com or like the app store, download Weeks and start trading. Check by. I will check it. I don't know why BNB is going up, but Solana is going down. I don't know. Equity is also going down. So it seems like BNB is holding and the rest of the crypto market is going down. Pyth, what is this? On lower time frame, it's like illiquid coin. I call this illiquid if you don't have like the proper candles. On 15-minute time frame, it's also like the barcode. And on 2 hour time frame, we have some candles. And what's the overall chart? It's in downtrend, and yep, it's in downtrend. So I will just whatever, but I will just skip it. I will not trade it. Or like what else you guys do is like wait for it. Once we break this range, you can go in short and just hold it wherever it goes. BTC. I've had BTC in this stream. Like we haven't had the POC. We are going down. We were sitting here. The time we started live stream, we were sitting somewhere around here, and we are like going down. Now it depends if we hold this VAL or not. If we lose this one, then we are going to like the lower POC. It's around this one. So 68.8K will be our zone if we don't hold. I will try BNB trade. Yep, I will also try BNB trade on weeks. Where it is, this there's a chart, the BNB trade. Or else you can do like enter with here, then anti to around this poor low, this the green dotted line is the poor low, so anti to around here, TP1 at this single print around $635, TP2 around this single print, and this single print aligns with our this week, so yep. And then we will have TP3 at this POC, and I will choose runners. Like after that, I will choose runners. Like runners is like you leave 25% and you just hold it wherever it goes. So this will be your trade. Or what do you think? It will break. You talking about BTC? BTC will like maybe will. I said like if we like the break, if we break VL, then we will go down. If we don't, then we will like hold it. I have to switch it. Yeah, this is a signal. I am publishing in the group. Let me just take a snap. Let me share in the group and I'll join it on my week's count with like 0.5% margin here and 0.5% margin here, so 1% trade with like 25x leverage. I will go with suitable leverage like 25x. It is okay, 25x. Let me just share it. Wait a minute. 25x at market with like 0.5x and okay. long at market, and my entry price is 62 point, no, this is not like 629.91. Okay, so my entry price is 629, not 62, 629.91. Okay, so this is my entry price. Okay, perfect. I will answer you. What's your name? Camellia. If I forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but yep, let me share it first. So non-live streamers join can trade it too. BNB, it's like a receive trade, and we are long with 25x leverage. Entries are like $629.91. Second entry around $626.8. TP1 at $635. Straight 635, not this point 0.6. And 640 will be like our TP2, 646 TP3, and runners at TP4. Stop loss would be around $622. So that's the proper call. I'm sharing it in the like group. Yep. So I've shared it. Okay, so let's get questions. Hi, good afternoon. Could not join before today cause of work. Do we keep our Ethereum long? Please. Yep. We have Ethereum long. Yep. It's active and valid. This is the Ethereum long. We have it valid. We are holding the red box. That is the golden pocket of this huge candle. And yep, we are holding. That's the simplest explanation. If you like want a detailed explanation, you can uh yeah, what do you call like rewind the video, like go back and check it out. Around what's the time? Let me just have a look at this. Like at the start, minus 32 minutes. Like at the very beginning. My name is Tizania. Yep, okay, perfect. Happily, we don't need 10x for BNB. I use it for SPX and silver. Hyperliquidity lacks on leverage just because they are decentralized exchange. And if you notice, decentralized exchange uses less leverage just because they have like they need margin. They don't like have retailers. They have whale. They have smart money. So that's why they don't give too many leverage. Just like centralized exchanges like the Binance, the Maxi, and the Bybit. Maxi give like 500x leverage. That's like huge. Okay, so Sol is like okayish, not like very well, but okayish. And BNB is still holding POC. And on some news side, we have earthquake on in Japan. I'm very sorry for if we have some viewers in Japan. We have witnessed earthquake 2 minutes before with a 6.19 strike off. Everyone asked where do we get news, like real-time news. So we have link terminal. Let me just show it to you guys. This is the site link terminal. If you have a look, like every time someone posts on X or like Telegram, you can filter it out. You get news like at real time, and you can see we have news here also. We have every news time. And yep, that's how you can check news. Or like we have like the polymer it, I will just skip it. And this is the feed. This is where you get skip the volume. We have like the stuff like you can see 2 minutes before a 6.19 magnitude dot. Like so you can get like real time news before they get on the like TV channels or like other stuff. That's how you get news. Japan news all the time. Yep, Japan is like a big in economy, just like US is big in like military stuff and like the farming and fed stuff. Japan is big in economy. They have a lot of money. So this is the scalp we are in. Um, Let me check if we have any for the spares, like trending for spare on some exchanges. Gold is dumping these days. That's why some people quit for us for some time. You can see we got a like massive sell off around 25% just because of Dubai. If you don't know, Dubai is like the hub of gold and physical gold is trapped there. That's why like they are selling it for like cheap prices, and this is why those are big sell off. Bro, what about BTC? I've shared BTC, bro. This is BTC. I've shared until unless we break VAL, you can go short, otherwise you can just wait for it to claim POC and then you can long it. That's the simplest update. I'm sorry. That's the simplest update you can see. You can that. You if you guys have like TPO or like the trading view, then you should add like TPO on your like the charts. This is the best indicator if you like look at level. Like let's see, let's have a look at level this Tuesday VAL. We touch this and got a reaction from here. That's how we got it. And silver is like okay. I will just skip silver here just because it's not like tradable these days with Trump and like the war stuff. Selling gold and buy BTC. Easier to carry. Yep, you can carry BTC, crypto, cross border, but not physical gold, not fiat. So, yep, those got some like do we take geopolitical risk into analysis? Like our trades are all on the buy side. Not all, like we are in shorts also. If you have a look at this, we are short on tier, we are short on SPX, we are long with Ethereum and long on Bitcoin, BNB, sorry. So that's the two long. And if you combine the loss, that's 0.945%, and on Ethereum is 2%, 2.9%. So it's like 4% loss. But on TIA, we are gaining 6%, and on this one, we are also gaining 6%, 7% also almost. So a 13% gain and 4% loss is okay. But if we like move toward the upper side, then you can see we have nothing to lose. So that's how you manage your trades and manage your risk. And yep, we got a 5-day deadline also from Trump side, and things can escalate. But what you see on chart is also what you can trade. I don't know if Trump can put troops on the ground. That will be like risky one. I would say it will not go in favor for like Trump. But still, okay, so we got some reaction on SPX. Let me just have a look. Where's SPX? No, so we don't get any reaction, but US just confirmed that they have got the death of Iranian IRGC naval commander. So that's a sort of like a bearish news, just because if we keep that in news like this, Iran getting escalation, US getting escalation, then we will not see some ceasefire or the war ending. Can E3 $2,300. $2,300 is somewhere around this. Yep, we can reach, but we need some hype. We need some news for that. If we keep that in Trump, like the way Trump is speaking these days, then we will not touch it. But at $2,300, we have a big gap here. We can touch it. In my opinion, we will touch it. Any other coin request? If you have like other than XRP, Pyth and Sol, we have seen Sol, we have seen Pyth, we have checked XRP. What's my BS on BTC? I am not like bullish, not bearish. If you look at HTF, on HTF I am bearish. Like I am, we will go toward like the lows. The lows would be around. This is my BMRT target. Let me just add it here. Like $42,000. There's $42,000, and then we have $27,000. So yeah, this box is my BMRT target, and but on LTF I'm neutral. Like on 15-minute time frame, you can see we have nothing on the charts. Let me just see. You can see we are just chopping. We are moving sideways. 70.2K. Yep, we can. It's just 1% move, maybe. Not even 1%. So yep, we can touch it, but depends. If you are in a trade, what's your SL? Any other questions? Or like, let me just look at RC heat map. Where is sitting? When we don't get new volatility like these days, you can see no volatility here. Then it's hard to sell. That's why I skipped trading yesterday, like the New York session. And where was we yesterday? Around this point, and you can see we spend it at chop. We are doing chop here. RC heat map. Let me just open it. Top 50 and on 5 point time frame. That's what I'm saying. Like look at this. The coins sitting here like ZRO, ZEC, and XMR are all dead. There should be like Solana, Ethereum, something like these sitting there. Even in top 100, there's like okay, Ondo is a good coin, but still I don't know about H, Night, or Party. These are like new coins and new ones. That's why I skip scalp here. I will just stick to like BNB. Let me look at Ondo. We got some messages. Let me see. Okay. Again, sideways on the last scalpy time. Nothing new here, but maybe. Yep. So one on the 1 hour time frame, you can short it. If we like go to the upper side and then form a deviation here, just like hype. If you remember our hype trade, we shorted hype from $40 maybe, and it went to like $35, and that this was the setup. You can also short it here. Like you can see one, two, three green candles, and yep, we can short it around these zones. Like first zone is this one, and second zone should be around this one. Let me extend my fib. This one. First, you will look at this zone. If it crosses this one, then you will look at this zone. And yep, I have very bad trade entry of $23.90 on Ethereum. Okay, so it's a bit high. 23.90. It's around somewhere around here. Maybe around here. Yep, somewhere around here. And I have been ordering for a long time. Yep, it's a long time, somewhere around here. Just because this was 2085, so 2090 was around here, so it's around February maybe. And I should have as it is. Yep, small loss is okay. Even if you had like 10% loss on portfolio, it's okay. But holding some trade for like a month or like even a week is like risky one. That's why every time I enter a trade, I give TP or not, but I give SL. Just because SL is compulsory. You can book like 1%, 2% power stop loss, but still, you just can't hold it. I have an idea in mind on altcoin. Do you not want me to share it? Like it's same as this on the like the structure. I will share it. Wait a minute. It was, let me just check my journal. It was ETC USDT, and BT look like it's losing. Yep, BT is losing maybe. Yep. Nope, we are sitting at same level. I'm not sure if you're looking at 1 second time frame, but we are sitting at same level. The same level we started our stream. So it's like 45 minutes in the stream maybe, and still, yeah, 50 minutes in the stream, and we can go for like 130 minutes. So this is the bandwidth. Okay, where I was looking on Ethereum etc. We got a zone here, this zone, and I am expecting it to like rise, and then we short it, just like the hype trade. The TP would be around this level, the wick, this wick, like this wick, $8.33, and the stop loss would be around this wick. What is the wick? 9.22. So let's take it at 9.25. This is the trade that I am looking. I will give it like in coming days if it reaches this level, like this level. This is $9, and then we will try to short it. That's the trade I am waiting for. You can take a screenshot, and this is a live stream bonus for you guys. But before entering, you should wait for like some sort of reaction. Just don't enter blindly. Like we did something like this, then you enter it around this time frame or like this zone, and something like this is needed. Like something like this, and yep, maybe we should end the stream here. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, in like couple of minutes, I will end the stream. Also, if you like regularly watch the stream, make sure to subscribe. We are sitting around 85 subscribers. I remember before starting a stream, we were sitting at 85 subscribers. I want to touch 100 subscribers by this week. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you can tap the button, press the bell icon. So even if I don't share in the group, like I am live, you can get the notification. And I am planning to share some ideas on like X. So if you haven't followed me on X, I'm giving the link in the chat session. You can follow. But you have already followed, then thanks for following. And yep, I'm gonna end the stream here. Take care, bye bye, good night, good evening, based on where you are. And yep, thanks for watching.